What's up, guys? Ross here from the Shamoo Indicator, and I'm at a Starbucks. So you might hear a bunch of clinking and drinks and stuff like that in the background. I want to show you guys we have added a new element to our indicator. And I'm just going to go ahead and we don't need any of these lines. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these just to simplify what you're looking at on the screen. Because you're like, what's the element? Is this little box right up here? You can see it says Market Sentiment Score. And basically, this goes off the previous day's closed candle. So it's not going off of today's live. So the way that you're going to use this is at the end of a market day or before the start of another market. What you're going to do is you're going to look at this, and you can see we're utilizing 6 indications as to whether or not the next day is going to be bullish or bearish. This has a very, very high probability rate, by the way, of accuracy. And what you're going to do is you can see how strong it's bearish. It's 3 out of 6. If it was 4 out of 6, it would be even more bearish. But you can see that the box turns red because 3 out of 6 indicators say the market's going to be bearish. 2 out of 6 indicators say the market's going to be neutral. And 1 out of 6 says the market's going to be bullish. Now, here's the thing. Neutral, I would rather see, you're never going to really see like 3 bearish, 3 bullish. It's going to be very rare. If it's bullish and bearish, that's good. That's what we just count this as bearish. If it is bullish and neutral, then you would count that as bullish. So if you had 3 indicators up here on the neutral sign. So that'll allow you to know whether or not you want to be taking any positions. Because let's say that you have a bullish setup, but the market's bearish, then you're not going to want to take those positions. So that is now added into the Shamoo indicator. If you don't have the Shamoo indicator, just go to shamoo.io and you'll be able to get access. I'll also put a link to that down in the chat. But it gives you like an extra added layer of confidence. Like this here today, I know that the market yesterday rallied up from a bunch of short sell positions and that we are now back to our bear market. It's been in a bear market. Yesterday's rally was short-lived. Our market sentiment score says that it is bearish. It is time to fall back down. So my guess is that we'll be falling back down here over the next couple days. With that said, hopefully you guys like this update. You don't have to really do anything other than just go in, remove your indicator, and then re-add it, and you'll have the latest one. Have a great day.